what I wanted to talk to you about today is pond maintenance. So, your pond should look really, really good all the time, or whatever water feature you have. And if it's not, then you might want to give us a call, send us some pictures so we can kind of assess it ahead of time and maybe give you a ballpark estimate. But let's say your water's green, then we might be able to not only come out and maintain it, maybe it needs a drain and clean or something like that, but we can amend the filtration to where it's actually functioning properly and you're not having green water all the time. We've got things that we can add. Let's say you've got string algae, and nobody likes string algae. You should have some biofilm on the rocks, but nobody likes string algae. We have something to inhibit string algae from ever happening again. Also, we have something called an auto doser. It automatically puts treatments into the water, so that's going to lower your maintenance. But we do have a maintenance department, and so we service a lot of water features. It doesn't have to be pond, fountains, lake management, anything like that. Let's say you have a vacation home, so you're just not there very often enough to maintain your pond. And let's face it, a lot of people just don't want to do that work. You're busy, you've got a life, you've got a business. You don't want to mess around with maintaining the pond. So give us a call if this is something that is interesting to you, so you don't have to deal with it anymore. I get it, and we'd love to take care of your pond for you.